Okay, here we are, ready for the first test. Here's our mock-up of the installation.
Of the Intercity 125.
Fire it up, Simon.
Yeah.
Okay, give it some blast on the horn.
Oh.
Oh!
Don't want it to fly too far.
No, we don't, but on the other hand, we do want to hear it scream. Crank it a bit more. I think it should be going.
Oh, it just takes ages.
No, I think the sound's working, but the motor for some reason isn't running. Yeah, no, I think that needs a bit more tweaking. Yeah, you spin it out. Well, stage one, the sound is working, but we haven't got the motor to work yet, so we'll fiddle with that a bit more. And then we're going to try and connect the lights as well.
I think so.
No, when you plug it on, function 1 just comes on straight away for some reason, but that's okay. Let's give it a bit of 3. Safe. Right, Simon, here she is, ready to go. Start her up. I don't know if you can detect on the phone the glorious stereophonic sound of 2 Valenta engines running at once. Give us a horn, Simon. What do you reckon, Simon? You like it?
Yeah.
Here it comes. Brilliant! We did it! Go. Nice. Do the other horn, Simon.